Nutcheese has a dream that one day the women on YouTube will be able to beat the guys in a burping contest.
No burp. Oh wait, here. Maybe. No. Wait. Here it comes.
And seriously, I think that I'm hindering her dream instead of helping it. That was pathetic. I can't burp. This is pathetic. I want to make myself sick. Finally. I did it. I've never been so happy to burp in my life.
Weak. Oh my God, did that just come out of me? Jesus, Mary, and Joseph, that was horrible. Yeah, but that one was a little... Oh, I can't believe I'm doing this. I didn't do anything for my Will Kelly, because I love her. I keep doing stupid shit and then it ends up in outtake reels. Hold on.